Hello guys, are you looking for the pronunciation of this word? So, in this video, I am going to tell you the correct way of pronouncing sex in Italian. So let's start. The correct way of pronouncing sex in Italian is seh-ss-oh, 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 seh-ss-oh. Repeat it with me. Seh-ss-oh, seh-ss-oh, seh-ss-oh. Once more time. Seh-ss-oh, seh-ss-oh, seh-ss-oh. I hope that the pronunciation of this word is clear to all of you. So, the correct way of pronouncing this word is seh-ss-oh, seh-ss-oh. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos related to pronunciation.